Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and look what I've got for sale today. It's a Kawasaki Z1000SX, and this one, you'll see there, 3-piece luggage. Yeah, you don't see many of these around, any you. This one's a 2017 on a 67 plate, so it's got the new front end, LED headlights, a new display in front of us as well. This one's also got the old Garmin sat nav as well. Power mode you get with these, adjustable traction control. This one's done 3,884 miles. It's got a lowering kit on at the moment, but it has got standard as well. Adjustable screen there. Dead easy to see, dead easy to do on the sat nav as well. Got a little motorcycle there just in case you realise you're in a car. Like I say, 3-piece luggage on this one, and I'm going to give it a quick start up. Me being a bit of an eager beaver there. Anyway, that sounds wicked. Anyway guys, what an absolute machine this is. All you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers. Bye.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.